Xage Zero Trust platform secures every agent and agent-to-agent interaction with authorization, identity-based access control, and auditing, so you can deploy AI agents confidently without the risk of unrestricted, overprivileged, or unauthorized actions. Before we begin the demo, it's important to understand the risks of deploying AI agents in the enterprise. The true business value of AI comes when agents evolve from passive advisors to active participants. But without control, this autonomy quickly turns into liability. The problem is amplified by the short-lived nature of agents, which may exist for only minutes, yet still require elevated access. Granting always-on standing privileges in this context is dangerous and can lead to over-permissioned agents that are ripe for misuse. Xage's Zero Trust for AI agents helps enterprises define which agents can interact with which systems, what actions they are permitted to perform, and for how long. Next, we'll showcase agent-to-agent access control and governance in the Xage fabric. In the example scenario, a financial analyst at a manufacturing company is assigned to look into inventory across their warehouse locations globally. They'll submit the request through their personal agent, which will review the request and route it to inventory and ERP agents. Let's jump into the demo. The analyst enters a prompt asking their personal agent to show them the current global inventory by part number and the corresponding warehouse locations. The personal agent analyzes the request, breaks it down into tasks, and queries respective agents for answers. It reaches out to the inventory agent to get stock levels and warehouse locations, while it queries ERP agents for the parts catalog. However, the agent is unable to return a response, since the analyst does not have access to the inventory database or ERP systems, demonstrating identity-based access control. The analyst then reaches out to the IT admin, who then creates a policy to allow the personal agent read access to the inventory agent, as defined by corporate policy. The analyst retries the prompt and gets responses on stock level at the different warehouses. However, they're still unable to map the inventory to part descriptions and categories. The analyst escalates the request to their supervisor to get access to the ERP system in order to obtain part descriptions. The IT admin now grants access to the ERP agent. The analyst tries again, and this time gets full details on the inventory, including part numbers, stock levels, and warehouse locations, as well as part descriptions and categories, highlighting Xage's fine-grained data access control. Finally, every agent interaction is fully logged, whether it's a successful or a blocked access attempt. These detailed records are captured in real time and made available through the Xage Management Console, giving administrators complete visibility into agent activities and access decisions. With Xage, enterprises harness the power of AI agents securely, responsibly, and always in alignment with policy and compliance.